Hi, welcome to Coding Literacy Flakes 11 of 40, HTML Part 4. We're looking at graphic displays. Now, first of all, what you need to do is make sure you choose some graphics for your web page. I've chosen 3. This one is a banana. It's important to know the extension is banana GIF. That's an animated one. This one here you won't see it animated until you put it into a web page. This one here is oranges JPEG. And this is soil JPEG, so they're pretty important. Now the pictures or graphics need to be in the same folder as your web page. Let's start a web page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call up a text editor. Now the one I'll be using will be Notepad++. It's the better one to use if you've got Windows. Otherwise you could use any text editor. Now to start off with, I'll let the web page or browser know that we're starting a web page. So HTML on, and then you got HTML off. So therefore the browser knows when to start and stop the web page. I'm going to indent, and in here I'm going to put body. This one here again, as before, it's showing that it's telling the browser to display the following on screen. So body on, body off, stop the display on screen, and now we're going to start our code. Now first of all, I'll just type in some text. This is my 4th HTML page. I'm going to put a bit of a line break there. Okay, and then I'm going to start the following. There is a background graphic of a dried soil. Okay, and I'll put a paragraph break there. And then I'm going to type in the following. This is a graphic of an orange, of oranges. Okay, and put a break in there, line break, and then the following is, this is a graphic of oranges resized. And put a break there. And this is an animated GIF graphic. Okay, and a paragraph break there. Oops. And a paragraph break there. There's a bit of a mistake there, so animated. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to save it. Now I have to save it in the same folder as everything else. And I've got it the following. Okay, and I'm going to call this one 4th HTML. It's my 4th HTML page, and I'll save it. At this point in time, let's have a look at it. I should have just text, I'd imagine. And as you can see, just text in there, so it's working nicely. I'm just going to sort of move that to the side, and I'm going to split the screen between the editor and the browser so I can see what happens every time I do something new on the editor. Okay, first of all, now what I'm going to do is put one of these pictures in place. Now I've got a picture over here, and I want to put in the soil. Now soil is JPEG, so I'll use it as a background. So I'll put in here background. Equals soil as a JPEG. Now that should give me a nice looking background. I'll just run here, go to my browser and refresh it. I I just realized it's not going to work because I got it in the wrong place. It shouldn't be there, it should be in the body. I'll just cut that out and put it where it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be in the body section. So my mistake there. And I spelled 4th wrong. It's TH. Let's fix those up. Okay, save that, and let's have a look at it now. There you go. I got my soil. Now the thing is, you can't see the text, so what I want to do is change the text color to white. So text equals hash, it's got to be hexadecimal, all the colors R, G, B are on. They should give me white writing. If I go back to here, I've got white, I can see it better. Good, I'm pretty happy with that. Now you can use any graphic at all, but I'm going to put some oranges in here now. So just below that, I'm going to call up the oranges. Now oranges is just oranges, JPEG. So I'll put in a tag, HTML tag, image source equals oranges dot JPEG. That should do it. And I'll put a paragraph break after it. Let's just try that out. Refresh, and there's my oranges, looking good. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing again, but I'm going to show you can adjust the size of it. That's the original size of the oranges, but if I do it again, I'm just going to copy that. Control C, go down to the new line, and I'm going to paste there. But what I'm going to do is resize this, and I'm going to resize it by making the width equals, that's 50 pixels of little picture cells across, and height. Let's make that 50 as well, 50 pixels down. Okay, I'll save that and refresh it in the browser. There's a miniature version squashed up. It's not to ratio. So that's the adjusted size. Now the last thing I'll show you is the GIF animation. Now if you look at it carefully, the banana is just a banana, but actually in fact it's an animation. You can get GIF either static or animated. I've got this from the internet, animated. Now I'll put in the same thing, nothing changes. So image source equals banana dot, now this one's a GIF file, and that should be fine right there. Let's just save that, and I should see my banana here, and there it is. It's hovering around. I can see it. It's having a great old time. Okay, and that is HTML and graphics. Thank you for watching.